Hey there, on this channel, I'll be diving deep into all the latest tech gadgets. Welcome to Beyond Luxury.
The Streamlight 7814 rechargeable flashlight stands out as a powerful and dependable tool, representing a new era in high-performance LED flashlights. Boasting an impressive 2,000 lumen output, it is engineered to tackle the most demanding tasks. With 4 distinct modes, high, medium, low, and strobe, you can easily adjust the brightness to suit any situation, whether for maximum visibility or signaling. Its rechargeable battery, coupled with an efficient charging system, ensures consistent, long-lasting performance. Versatile charging options also allow you to conveniently recharge it wherever you are. Built to endure, the flashlight features a rugged aluminum alloy body and impact-resistant lens, making it reliable in even the harshest conditions. Its ergonomic design, textured grip, and sealed gaskets further enhance comfort and usability. Stay protected from mosquitoes in both style and comfort with the Thermacell MR450X portable device. This compact and efficient mosquito repeller shields you from biting insects without the need for harsh odors or skin-applied chemicals. Featuring a new silent toggle switch, the 450X is the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Its smart design includes control LEDs that help maintain optimal operating temperature, safeguarding up to 21 square meters from pests. Built without open flames and constructed with durable, rubberized materials, this unit is both safe and tough, making it ideal for enjoying nature without the nuisance of mosquitoes and other bugs. Imagine the ancient art of weaponry fused with cutting-edge technology. The Scorpion Titanium Whip is not just a defensive tool but a striking work of art. Its mere presence evokes fear with its menacing design, blending fierce beauty with lethal efficiency. A robust metal handle, wrapped in durable wire, ensures a firm grip, while 21 meticulously crafted stainless steel discs add both weight and reach to every strike. Stretching 46.5 inches in length, this imposing masterpiece can also serve as an impressive display piece, mounted on a hardwood wall plaque included with the whip. The Sabre-Ruger Personal Alarm is a dependable protection tool designed to deter potential attackers with its ear-piercing 130 decibel siren, audible up to 1,250 feet away. It's easy to activate. Just pull the metal chain to trigger the alarm and reinsert it to silence the sound. Featuring a carabiner for instant access, this compact device conveniently attaches to keys, bags, or backpacks, ensuring safety in critical moments. The built-in LED light also helps locate keys or door locks in the dark, making it an essential accessory for runners, travelers, women, children, and the elderly. With a long-lasting battery that supports multiple uses without needing a recharge, the Sabre-Ruger Personal Alarm is a reliable companion, wherever you are.
Quick question, did you know that 98% of you who watch my videos aren't actually subscribed? Well, if you're part of the 98% who aren't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Just click that subscribe button below and join our community. It's free. It really helps support the channel and keeps me motivated to create more content for you.
The new Osprey Kestrel 48 is a sleek black beauty that seamlessly blends functionality and comfort. Its breathable Airscape back panel with adjustable torso length allows you to customize the fit for any journey. A removable rain cover ensures you're always prepared for sudden weather changes. One of its standout features is the external reservoir sleeve, which can accommodate up to 3 liters of water, keeping you hydrated no matter where your adventure leads. Additionally, the side panel zipper provides quick access to the main compartment, making it easy to grab essentials without any hassle. For added convenience, the backpack includes a dedicated sleeping bag compartment with a floating divider, perfect for keeping your gear organized. Your family's outdoor adventures will be more spacious and comfortable with the Instant Portal tent. Designed to easily accommodate 2 queen-sized air mattresses or up to 8 sleeping bags, this tent offers high ceilings and a roomy interior, making it perfect for family outings. Setup is a breeze, thanks to innovative technology that allows the tent to be unfolded and ready for use in just a minute with minimal effort. Beyond easy assembly, the tent ensures excellent ventilation with 1 large mesh door, 5 windows, and a mesh ceiling, ideal for stargazing and fresh air circulation. Equipped with a waterproof cover and a removable rainfly, the Instant Portal tent will keep your vacation enjoyable, even in bad weather. The multifunctional tactical survival military compass is a dependable navigation tool designed for use in any condition. Built from durable materials such as metal and plastic, it is designed to withstand rain, snow, dirt, and high humidity. Its waterproof and shockproof casing makes it an ideal choice for activities like road trips, boating, camping, mountaineering, and hunting. Featuring a precise scale with clear markings, this compass ensures you can always find your way. Its compact shape and size allow for easy portability, whether in a pocket or on a belt. The included case also features a lanyard for convenient attachment. This military-grade compass is an essential tool for military personnel, adventurers, hunters, and anyone frequently facing extreme conditions, helping you navigate efficiently and safely while conserving time and energy. The Hero 2020 is a cutting-edge, non-lethal weapon designed for home security and self-defense, capable of firing chemical projectiles up to 20 feet at a speed of 160 to 175 FPS. Upon impact, these projectiles burst, creating a 3 to 6 foot cloud of potent irritant that effectively incapacitates a threat without causing permanent harm. The irritant, based on POA, used globally by police and military forces, ensures maximum effectiveness. The Hero 2020 also boasts advanced features such as nitrogen-powered firing, a 600-lumen automatic stun light, and an automatic laser sight, making it an extremely powerful and efficient self-defense tool. The HOG X503 is a discreet, compact knife designed for easy carrying and reliable performance. Its cryogenic heat treatment enhances blade strength, making it exceptionally durable and resistant to wear. This advanced technology ensures precise and efficient cutting, even through the thinnest materials. The practical paracord lanyard hole allows for convenient carrying and quick access. The handle is perfectly sized for a comfortable grip, combining excellent ergonomics with high-quality materials. Despite its compact size, the HOG X503 offers impressive strength and durability, making it an indispensable tool for any adventure or outdoor activity. Stylish and reliable, it is ready to serve in any situation. The Yuko 054-800 is a unique aluminum candle lantern designed for compactness and convenience. It easily folds up to fit into small spaces, such as a purse or handbag. Its sturdy aluminum construction ensures durability and protects it from impacts. The retractable glass chimney provides a windproof environment for the candle, enhancing its functionality. The lantern features a distinctive base with a twist-lock carrying handle and a hook for hanging, making it a versatile and practical addition to your outdoor or emergency gear. The Arcturus Heavy-Duty Thermal Reflective Blanket is a versatile and insulated solution designed for all weather conditions. Measuring 60 by 82 inches, it can function as a tarp, shelter, tent, or emergency blanket for activities like camping, hunting, hiking, or boating. It's also practical for emergency situations in your car. The blanket features a unique design with one side made of mylar to reflect heat, create a radiant barrier, or signal for help, while the other side consists of 2 layers of polypropylene to provide a waterproof barrier. Weighing only 1.4 pounds, it's easy to transport and comes with a separate carrying bag for convenience. Introducing the 3.2 or 5-gallon Wonder Jug, crafted from food-grade polyethylene to keep your water clean and tasty, free from BPA and PVC. Enjoy pure, natural flavor and top-notch convenience with this jug. Gone are the days of struggling with caps. It features a special spout for easy filling and a faucet for precise water flow control, allowing you to manage the flow just like a plumbing system in the wilderness. Cleaning is effortless, thanks to the included brush that reaches every corner, ensuring your jug remains spotless and ready for use. Introducing the Nest Out Outdoor Battery, a premier mobile power supply for all your outdoor adventures. This highly durable battery is environmentally friendly, marking a shift from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources. Designed to withstand harsh conditions, it boasts an IP67 rating for waterproof and dustproof protection, making it perfect for any climate. The shockproof design includes USB-C ports that support fast charging and USB power delivery technology. Its intelligent power system automatically detects the power requirements of connected devices, ensuring optimal power distribution and reliable performance in any environment. The Morinov Garberg represents the pinnacle of durability and reliability, designed for even the toughest tasks. Featuring a full tang that extends the entire length of the blade, the Garberg ensures maximum strength and minimizes the risk of breakage, making it perfect for extreme conditions. Its premium carbon steel blade delivers razor-sharp cutting performance, high hardness, and exceptional corrosion resistance, and it can be sharpened to a fine edge. Additionally, the square ground spine of the blade can be used as a fire steel striker, adding an extra layer of functionality for starting fires. In today's world, where security is a top priority, having a personal security device is not just convenient but essential. Introducing the Stinger, your reliable ally in ensuring safety. This compact emergency tool integrates a powerful siren to draw attention, a seatbelt cutter for quick escape, and a durable glass breaker to help you exit vehicles in emergencies. Designed as a shield rather than a weapon, the Stinger aims to provide you with the opportunity to escape dangerous situations rather than inflict harm. The Everfun Backpack Cooler offers 20 hours of cooling and reliable leak protection, making it an excellent choice for various outdoor activities. Its superior insulation provides exceptional cold retention throughout the day, and the seamless hot press lining ensures perfect leak protection. The backpack features a spacious main compartment for drinks, an additional insulated top compartment for snacks, and 2 front and 2 side pockets for essentials like phones, wallets, utensils, and beach accessories. A convenient bottle opener is included. Made from puncture-resistant ripstop fabric with an extra waterproof polyurethane coating, the cooler is easy to clean and makes a great gift for both men and women. Reevaluate your approach to defense with the cool folding knuckles. Expertly crafted from 440C stainless steel, this tool combines durability and rust resistance with a design that ensures it easily passes airport security checks. Its precision engineering, achieved through CNC machining and hand polishing, results in a mirror-like finish and smoothness. Weighing just around 2.4 pounds, it is lightweight and convenient to carry. The internal diameter of approximately 0.9 inches offers a comfortable fit for most users, making it a sleek yet powerful personal security tool. The WorkSharp Micro Knife Sharpener and Tool is an ultra-compact travel essential, designed to keep your knives sharp in any situation. Featuring both diamond and ceramic sharpening surfaces, it quickly restores and enhances the cutting performance of any steel blade. Beyond its sharpening capabilities, the tool includes a household screwdriver and a set of Torx bits, T6, T8, T10, making it a versatile addition for maintaining and customizing your knives or other hand tools. Its compact size ensures that the WorkSharp Micro Knife Sharpener and Tool will be an indispensable companion wherever you go. Tight and welded coolers and deep freeze backpacks are your essential companions for any adventure, whether it's a picnic or a multi-day trip. Featuring a unique zipperless lid, they offer fast and convenient access to food and drinks. These coolers keep ice frozen for up to 3.5 days, maintaining coolness for up to 36 cans. Deep freeze insulation with a radiant heat barrier ensures long-lasting cold retention. The hard, removable liner with a smart shelf system and antimicrobial microbond coating prevents odors and stains, while separating soft and hard products. Cleaning is simple with a mild soap solution and a damp cloth. The airtight seal with a gasket and latch, combined with a puncture-resistant and UV-resistant exterior, guarantees 100% leak protection. Tight and welded coolers ensure coolness and convenience every step of the way. The Handbage HBG Professional Slingshot is designed for adults, blending innovative technology with high functionality for both hunting and sporting events. The set includes a slingshot, 6 interchangeable rubber bands, 50 ammunition balls, and a flashlight bracket, providing a complete kit for slingshot enthusiasts. Made from solid metal, the slingshot ensures durability and reliability. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, enhancing concentration and accuracy during use. The dual spring design boosts shot force, making each shot more powerful and precise. The magnetic feature allows for easy absorption and replacement of steel balls, protecting your hand and simplifying use. Suitable for hunting, competition, and practice, the HBG Professional Slingshot is an effective tool for improving shooting skills and focus. Yes, the aluminum Tana with removable spike sounds like an impressive self-defense tool. Made from high-strength aluminum, each Tana is 20 inches long and weighs around 2 pounds. The set includes 2 Tonus, each featuring a 5.5-inch long handle that is bolted and topped to ensure a secure grip and prevent slipping. The design allows for easy conversion to a sharp version by replacing the end caps with 1-inch long steel spikes, which are hardened for enhanced safety and efficiency. The unique tapered handles, which taper and expand, provide excellent balance and comfort, adding flexibility to the tool and enabling it to adapt to various situations. This thoughtful design offers confidence and effectiveness in every move. Meet your new solar companion, the Big Blue Charger. This isn't just any charger. It's your personal pocket generator designed to capture every sunbeam and convert it into valuable energy for your gadgets. With a power output of 28 watts and 3 USB ports, it allows you to charge multiple devices simultaneously, with each port automatically selecting the optimal charging speed. No more arguments about who charges their phone first. The Big Blue Charger is equipped with essential safety protections against overloads, overheating, and short circuits. Its highly efficient SunPower solar panel converts up to 24% of solar energy, ensuring your devices stay powered even in unpredictable conditions. The Nebo Luxstream cordless spotlight is a robust tool designed for durability and high performance. Its rugged anodized aircraft aluminum housing allows it to emit light up to half a mile away while being impact resistant from drops up to 3.2 feet. Ideal for camping, hiking, and hunting, it offers exceptional brightness and versatility. With an IP67 water resistance rating, it's built to withstand tough conditions. The Spotlight features a lithium-ion rechargeable battery with a recharge time of 3 to 4 hours using the included USB charging cable. Additional features include a magnetic base, a double-sided steel belt clip, a tripod mount, and a lanyard for convenient carrying.